a Buick, 1960 Buick Electra, four-door hardtop, otherwise known as a flat top, as you can see. Paint code NR, so we have a Cordovan roof and Tahiti beige in the lower part. And listen to this, underneath the hood, numbers matching 401 nailhead V8 paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. And let's take a look at the chrome. Of course, the swooping front fenders, the iconic Buick tri-shield, that grille. How fun would this car be to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows? Definitely a head turner. Now, if you want to check out all the still pictures, so you can see some of the things I'm talking about, if you want to take your time looking through them, go right ahead. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. See all the pics there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Wide white wall radials, wheel covers. Now, as far as the paint, are there some spots where there's imperfections? Yes. Maybe a little touch up here and there. There's some kind of just light, I guess, crazing, if you will, in the paint. But overall, you can see it has a nice shine to it. Would not be ashamed to drive this car at all to those roll-ins, the shows, or just out on the road taking it for a cruise, because you know how nicely this car will drive down the highway. Let's take a look down the passenger side here. See how nice and straight these panels are, the body lines, bright work on this car. It's stunning. And you just don't see them like this every day. That rear window, of course, how the roof line lays above it. Interior also very original looking. Fawn interior is what this car would have came with. 731. Rear seat with that plastic cover on it. That harkens back to the 60s, doesn't it? Dash also very original, with the exception of that Pioneer radio. The Pioneer radio does work. We're going to check out that interior a little closer in just a bit. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the chrome, bright work on the rear of the car. As you can see, dual exhaust. This is a good sounding car too. Nice 401 rumble coming out of the rear of that. Once again, those still pictures, take your time looking through them, uniqueclassiccars.com. Recent service work done to this car. It does have a new master cylinder, also all four wheel cylinders, new radiator. Some miscellaneous manuals that are going to come with this too, as far as an owner's manual, the warranty booklet, and then it's kind of a cool little brochure with the paint and the interior options that would have been available on the Buicks in 1960. If you like these 60s classics, maybe you're into just classic old Buicks, whatever it may be, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, these cars, trucks, motorcycles sometimes are available to purchase on our website or off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. We always like that. Give you a good look at the driver's side. Of course, with the hardtop, no B-pillar. All right, door panels, and these look like they could be the original door panels. Do show a little bit of age on the armrest. Carpeting as well. Seats, nice shape, free of any major rips, tears, holes. Gonna want to see what it looks like in the rear seat. Of course, back in that era, look at that cigarette lighter in the back of the front seat. And did you hear that door close? They don't sound like that anymore. It's kind of cool. Aftermarket cruise control. And we are going to take this car for a drive too. Show you how it goes down the highway. Now, as far as the Buicks go, this one is still the push pedal start, gas pedal start, I guess, if you will. So we're going to go ahead and fire this up. Very cool feature. Top of the dash. Another cool feature, if you're familiar with this is actually a mirror that's reflecting the speedometer that's down below. So this can be adjusted if you see me turning it there. A dial on each side, right here. So you can adjust how that speedometer is projected at you while you're sitting in the driver's seat. Blower fan operation, right here, blower fan does work. Wipers work. Power steering, power brakes. And horn in working condition. How about the headliner? Yes, good shape. Pioneer radio works. Listen to that door close. Here we go, listen to this. How cool. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. We're going to check out this engine bay, wrap up this walk around. Let's get this thing out on the road. So look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Nailhead 401 V8, numbers matching, original engine to this car. Battery disconnect from the Die Hard battery. For when it's in storage or maybe in between drives, new radiator, master cylinder. It's definitely a Buick, 1960 Buick Electra, four-door hardtop, otherwise known as a flat top. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1960 Buick Electra. A very big Buick Electra, the way they should be. Our speedometer is, again, the great style that looks like mercury filling a thermometer as you're speeding up. And that is working well. The blinkers both working well. Another car with floor vents, which are always a good thing. The wipers work on this Buick. A nice rumble, yet not too loud. A quiet riding Buick. Pioneer stereo in the dash.
When the summer shines.
Factory horn, sounds great. Steering wheel is clocked a little bit to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. I would say, dare I say, like new looking seat. It may have been protected by plastic all these years. The bench seat in cloth and vinyl. In the dash we have a clock. That is not moving, but it is amazingly styled. Hardly any wind noise for a car of this age. That's quite a feat. Power brakes working very well. Of course, Buick with power brakes and power steering. Spacious interior. Bring all your family and friends on the road trip. This car handles in the corner as it should for a 60 full-size car. Nice and luxurious. Putting my foot down, the throttle, you definitely feel some acceleration. It's good throttle response. See more of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.